outlet, because this is officially considered a wet location, and the manufacturer of the dehumidifier says to make sure that it's ground fault protected. What you'll notice about ground fault outlets is they have the reset button and the test button, and then they have this yellow sticker. The yellow sticker means that the terminals underneath those stickers are ground fault protected, so if you need to feed an extra outlet, you can do it from that. But then the other two that are just other terminals that are not covered up with a sticker are your line voltage, which is the power that's coming into the outlet. And you'll notice a very important thing about them. There's a gold screw and a silver screw, and then on the other end there's a green screw. The green screw is ground. The silver screw is white because it's kind of white looking, and the gold screw is black. It goes on the black wire. So we're going to strip off, and on these outlets you don't have to curl the wire around the terminals, they just plug in. So we're going to strip off about 3/4 of an inch of wire insulation from the white and the black wire, and you're going to use the one that fits. It's going to be, see the words? It's going to be the one that says 12. Somebody, can I get that, show that on the, there we go. See the numbers is the wire gauge, so we're going to use the one that's 12. It says 12, 14. So the one that's 12 and 14, wrap it around the white wire. Nope, down here. There you go.
Okay.
No, about 1 inch, which is about the thickness of the pliers. I think they do that intentionally. Instead of the one above that, I think. Pinch, and then twist, and pull off, and pull. I do that on the black wire. Pinch, twist, and pull. That's simple. I always hook outlets up ground, neutral, hot. It's just the way I do it. So if this wire had power on it, we would take the hot wire and move it out of the way so we didn't accidentally touch it, but it doesn't matter. So we're going to hook up the ground wire, and put it underneath the green screw. Just stick it underneath this tab. Turn it around here so we can see it. You just stick it underneath, yep, just like that. Let's see. We may need to back the screw up. Loosen the screw up a little bit. Now stick the wire underneath that same, not all the way, don't take it all the way out. It should go underneath that silver, that gold tab.
It's not.
The brass.
There we go.
Got it? Now tighten the screw. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's good. Now the white wire goes on which screw? The silver screw. It's going to go exactly the same way.
Excuse me.
Try to turn it so we can see it. That's it. Don't take it all the way out. Then we really have a problem.
Yeah.
Now the black wire on the gold screw. That's it. Alright, now what we're going to do is I'm gonna just double check, make sure that everything is nice and tight, is fold those wires up like an accordion. So push them up and bend back and forth into this box. These are a little bit longer than what they need to be, but there's plenty of room in the box for it. Push that on up into the box. It's a little hard because there's some extra wire.
Yeah.
Pull it down and make sure this goes up nice and tight into the top. And then push this up nice and tight right here. Oh, we had a wire come loose. That's why I'm gonna hook that one back up. That can happen. It's better to happen now than later. Then we have to come back and do it again. Here, turn it with this. Just to make sure it's not good and tight. Did it turn?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, then do the other ones. Especially the power side. The ground is important, but no one will call us back on that one. Okay, there you go. And make sure you just kind of fold it up neat, and then it'll fit better. Go ahead and tighten those up. Get one started, at least. Okay. Good. Alright, now let's put a cover plate on it, because a home inspector will come by here and see that, and if they ever decide to sell this house and say there's no cover plate on this outlet, somebody might touch those wires and electrocute themselves. Of course, they had to crawl underneath the house and find this. You can use this. Those are flat plates. And if we were doing this in a wall in a house, we would make sure that that outlet was a lot straighter than it is.
Mm-hmm.
Because people would see it and walk by and go, that outlet's crooked.
Oh.
And it would drive me crazy for every time I saw it, but I'll never see this outlet again, so
You might
it won't bother me.
see it again.
I might, I guess it's possible. I don't plan on seeing it again, though. That's good, you don't have to break them. Alright, so now what we gotta do is plug the dehumidifier in, and then plug the sump pump in. And then go hook the other end up. Where's the wire for the sump pump?
Mhm.
Oh, that was it. This is the dehumidifier. Okay, so pick up our stuff, and then we'll see you guys in a minute.